What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to help you start charging your recruiting clients more. So as recruiters, we bring a lot to the table, and we know that, right? So let's dive into 4 specific ways as to how you can charge your clients more money. Also, for more of this kind of content, please join our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video, and there'll be tons more that you can learn about charging clients more and everything and anything else about recruiting. Okay, so number 1, stop making everything about money. Nothing is about the actual money. It's about the value that you deliver. I tell all of the students in our recruiting programs that it's never about the money, that it is always about your value as a recruiter and what you bring to the table for your client. That's what they pay you for. If you're able to deliver on value and value alone, it's never going to be about the money. It's only about the money when you make it about the money. So with that being said, don't ever be afraid to ask for 20% when you know you're going to bring 20% worth of value to the table. It's never about the money. Like I said, it's always about that value piece. All right, so number 2 on how you can charge higher fees to your recruiting clients is bring a consultative approach. If you are just acting like a middleman, like a broker of people for your client, you are not being an actual consultative recruiter and you're not adding value. To charge a higher fee to your client, you actually need to create a good partnership within the larger relationship that you've already created with that client. This means telling your client things that they need to hear, not the things that they just want to hear. So this could be anything from, hey, you're not offering fair market pay to your candidates, so nobody's taking the offer. Or, hey, your interview and selection process is way too long and everyone's jumping ship as soon as they have to wait too long for anything. Then actually help your clients fix those things. Your client does not know any of this stuff. So it's your duty to bring the value and be a consultative person for them, and they'll respect you more for it, and they'll allow you to charge a higher fee because of it. Like, actually help them understand why they are offering a lower rate of pay than market pay. Show them other companies that are offering higher hourly rates and actually help them fix what they can actually offer from their budget. Figure it out with them together as an actual partner, as a consultant. Explain to them explicitly why a 4-day waiting period for any kind of feedback after an interview makes candidates jump ship right away and leave the offer. If they don't get anything back in 4 or 5 days, no way are people going to take that, especially in today's market. When you build these consultative features into your value, into your offer of what you actually deliver, you're delivering on a ton of value. And again, your client's going to respect you and allow you to pay a higher fee for this. All right, so on to number 3 as to how you can charge higher fees to your recruiting clients. Bring higher quality candidates to the table. As a recruiter, you should absolutely be doing your job by finding and recruiting and sourcing and interviewing the best top quality candidates, but not just mediocre candidates. To charge a higher fee to your client, you need to demonstrate that you're actually bringing in people that your client would hire. If you are recruiting and sourcing just anyone, then please always remember just anyone can do that. However, if you're someone that's bringing to the table the highest quality candidates, meaning they have an 80% chance of getting hired or higher from what you've already done in your work as far as interviewing, screening, vetting, you bring more credibility and have more leverage to charge a higher fee for your clients. All right, so number 4, last but not least on how to charge your clients higher fees is to actually work with clients that have the money. All right, so I understand that this sounds incredibly simple, but it is not. So when you send out emails on a high mass volume scale, when you engage on LinkedIn, once you know the actual system of targeting, you need to be targeting companies that actually have the money. So everyone's heard that it takes an eye for talent, right? But it also takes another eye to spot a really good, high quality, high revenue client. This is why I said it's not exactly super simple. When you know the sweet spot of who's got the money and who doesn't, that's exactly when you'll know which companies to target, which companies to go after, who you want as an actual client, and who you don't. If you wind up talking to a ton of clients, prospects that have tons of revenue, and you know for a fact they do, it only makes sense that you're able to charge higher fees. Now, there is one last way that you can charge higher fees, and you'll learn all about it when you smash the like button on this video. And also be sure that you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video, and I will see you guys next time.